April and Leo were just playing. There you go. And Max, let him play. He wants to go outside. Come on. April's instigating play with Leo so much today. So Leo didn't know how to take her at first. She was scatting all around him, and he was like, "What are you doing?" I want the little ones. They won't play with the big dogs around. You want to go back in? Leo? Oh, Jake, I want the little ones to go in, sweetheart. Oh, well, they'll play later. Hey, Max. Come on, guys. Let's all walk around. Get our feelers out. Stretch our legs. Stretch our legs. Hello, Leo. Oh. I love your new haircut. It's so beautiful. It goes great with your face and those beautiful eyes. Oh. Oh, good. There she is. She's going to instigate. Look. Go for it, April. Miss April's my girl. She don't take no stuff either. She don't take no stuff, Leo. She's cute. And that's Jake. And that's my boy, of course. Here she comes. Get him, Miss April. Get him. What you doing, Miss April? See, I'm trying, Miss Kelly. He's cute. He is so handsome. Oh, and he's just my size. I love all the colors of the leaves. Hello, Mr. Jake. Max. Hello, Max and Jake. Good. Everybody lets Jake know. The little ones.